If you are new here, my name is Brunel. If you are not, then welcome back. Thank you for joining me. So you've seen the title. Now, I was going to stop doing wig reviews, but this one I just thought I had to actually bring you guys this one because I think this is going to set the standard for 2020 when it comes to synthetic wigs. I think everyone's going to be talking about this one. Bobbi Boss, Bobbi Boss, Bobbi Boss. Look, oh, look at this. This is the Bobbi Boss Glueless lace wig with HD transparent skin blending wig. It is a 13x7. Can I just stop there? 13x7. Oh my God. On a synthetic wig here in the UK, £49. This one costs, I'll put the link in the description bar, just to give you some other details. Right, let's go. 13x7 hand-tied lace, HD transparent lace, custom pre-plucked, natural hairline with baby hairs if you want to create them. Flawless free parting freedom, so middle parting, left parting, right parting, it is up to you. And also I've already put in there baby hairs, and FlexFit cap for secure comfort. So you've got the not only the standard adjustable strap at the back, you've also got the actual larger band as well to make things a lot more secure. If you're like me, who you don't like to kind of glue the whole front of your wig down, then this is for you. You can get away with just using mousse to flatten things and shape your baby hairs at the front, because you are secure that no matter how windy it gets, you're not gonna have to try and grab hold of your wig or hold it in place so it doesn't fly off. Yes, so fantastic. I honestly, you guys, I had decided for my channel that I wasn't going to do wig reviews anymore. This is a one-off. This is a one-off. I am going to still I am still going to include wigs, but they're going to be incorporated within makeup looks. But I just thought this one sets the standard for 2020 when it comes to you know, synthetic wigs. I mean, come on. 13x7 parting. Look at this baby here. Look, oh my God. I am in love. I am in love. Right, if you are tiny head like me, and you want to cut the lace so that it's actually really snug, be mindful where they've actually sewn in the actual the strap to make it more secure is exactly where I needed to cut. So I couldn't actually cut it to size, so it does feel a little bit big, but you just have to adjust the strap at the back to make it nice and snug. The hair feels soft, but it's not silky over soft. This is of course color 1B, and look at it. Whoa. Ooh. Now, when I initially used to darken my actual wig, I used this particular middle part here for the contour, which is the Patricia Bright and Revolution collaboration, Dusk Till Dawn. And then I realized, I looked and I thought, something's not quite right. Something's not quite right. And I used my Sally Hansen spray, and I just used that, but then it still didn't look quite right. So what was the problem? The cap that I was using underneath, even though it was brown, it still didn't quite work out with it being underneath. So just be mindful when you do get yours, and you look at it and you're thinking, transparent lace, that this is not quite right. It might be that if you're wearing a cap, you need to take that cap off. Once I took it off, then look. Oh my gosh. Right, I'm just gonna get you to have a look on the side and the other side. So I've just finger combed through with my fingers, and that's it. And I used the other brush to sort of tame the flyaway baby hairs, and yeah, lengthwise it is perfect. And I'm just so, look at this. If you are looking for a realistic looking a wig that needs synthetic, and it costs less than 100 quid, and you can pass anywhere and have versatility, this baby is I can't say anything else. I can't say anything else. Thank you people for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. I am in love. If you let me know if you try this wig and what you think about it, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed, then of course go ahead and subscribe. I would appreciate that. Like, comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.